Hello everybody, this is Reza, and in this short video clip I want to show you and unpack this lovely mini Android PC. Here we have a complete unpacked package of mini Android PC. As you can see, here we have the actual device, dual core A9 processor, which is quite visible that it's very nicely designed to be seated on your TV. Like this. Well, as you know, an Android PC, an Android mini PC, is just simply a little computer, which in addition to your TV becomes like an actual computer. And one might ask, okay, why shall I use such a device instead of using an ordinary computer station or a normal laptop? Well, don't get in rush. This question is something that I'm going to definitely cover in this video. And we're going to talk about this later. But more specifically about this device, as said before, this model is MK818. There are lots of different mini Android PC models on the internet. You can just give it a search, all of them or most of them starting with MK. And actually, this particular device is one of the biggest when it comes to mini Android PCs. Why? Well, thanks to this built-in 5 megapixel camera in front and built-in microphone, this is a very customized one when it comes to having audio-visual applications like running video Skype calls, video conferencing, gamings and something like that. And also thanks to this quite a number of different output-input ports, which are quite important. Let's go through all the ports here. The first one is a normal USB one. On this device you have two USB ports, which is quite important, quite useful. You can just simply connect one mouse and one keyboard to each of these. Well, it's much better if you use a remote or wireless keyboard or mouse, but you can simply use a normal one as well. This is absolutely important. The second one here is a mini HDMI port, and there is already a mini HDMI to normal HDMI cable adapter included in the box. So you can use that cable to connect this HDMI port, which, as you know, is a digital video interface, and then connect it to your TV. And then by this you can have both video and audio in digital format to be transferred to your computer. This one, as it's obvious, it's a RJ45 connector. Although there is a proper Wi-Fi built in on this device, you have also an RJ45 connector, so you can simply connect your device to the internet or to a network through a cable in order to have a proper, better quality. These two are audio, video, normal analog 3.5mm outputs. I'm not sure if in this audio we have microphone input or not. This is something that needs to be tested. And then again the secondary USB, which is in the format of OTG, a little bit smaller, but don't worry, there's already a OTG to normal USB cable adapter provided in the package, so you can simply use this cable along with this port and then have an extra USB port simply. And then the last one, which is also an OTG, but there is a mark for power supply, and there is already an OTG cable and an adapter provided in the package, so you use that in order to supply power to this device, simply as you can see here. Okay, I think we're done here, and then we can start actually connecting this little lovely device to our TV here. Okay, here, as you see, the mini PC is installed on this TV and all the cables are now connected, especially the main one, the HDMI cable is connected. And here, for the sake of test, I just tried to use a set of completely ordinary mouse and keyboard. As you can see, they are completely normal mouse and keyboards that you usually use with normal computers. This one is connected to the USB number 1 and this one is connected to the USB number 2, and it's actually switched on. So the only thing that I need to do is to switch the TV on. Let me see. It is connected to HDMI port 1, so I need to change the input of my TV, obviously, to HDMI input number 1. And then I will see the interface of the Android operating system on my TV. Okay, here we go. Inputs, yes, the HDMI number 1 is active. Clicking on that. Yes, and this is the main, or the actual screen that you will see. It looks very much like a normal Android interface. If you have any experience with using Android operating system on tablets or on mobile phones, then almost all of these icons should be quite acquired for you. Applications, tools, settings, gallery, and so on. So, if I go to applications, some of the normal applications that you usually see on mobile phones or tablets, they're already installed, like Google Maps, Dropbox, Skype, YouTube, and so on. Access to Skype. This is quite well designed for Skype calls because this device has a built-in camera. In this new model, they claim that the camera is 5 megapixel, which I'm not sure. At least it showed quite less quality during our initial tests. But here I'm gonna start a Skype call with a friend of mine, and you will see that yourselves. So you have a very nice clothes on you. Thank you so much for watching this short clip. I hope you have enjoyed it. Bye bye.